Before you watch the video, I will tell you one thing. If you don't know how to download and install Android on your PC, so be sure to watch my video displaying on the information icon. Thank you. So alright guys, what's up everybody, it's your bro Technical ARS back again with a new decent video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to use custom fonts in your Picsart in Android. So without being said, let's have an intro.
Easy go.
So let's start the tutorial. The first step is open File and Manager, copy your custom fonts, go back, go to Picsart folder, go to Fonts folder and paste here. Second step, go to your Picsart. Now in your text, go to Font tab, go to plus tab, click My Fonts. I have uploaded the Blacklist, True Lies and ALDO the Apache, so you can use it. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy the video. Like, share and subscribe. Be sure to subscribe to this channel and have a good day.